Hello everyone, it's Susannah with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, and I have for us I should say, the monthly challenge for May 2026. And this month we are doing the lateral lunge. So lateral means to the side. It's a really great exercise, great for fall prevention. And here's how it goes. So you step out to the side, lunging, which means to bend this knee, and then this knee bends, the knee goes over the toe, the direction of that foot, and this leg stays straight. And then you push off and come back to center. And then we'll do 8 one side and then 8 the other side. Yes, like that. Now, if balance is a challenge, this is new to you, or if your knee was not happy, an alternative would simply be to do a small step out. It's a little lunge, so a little lateral movement. Okay, so that's an option. You do you. Let's do 8 together, both directions. Ready? We'll start going over to your right. And let's do it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1, other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Okay, now we are going to repeat that. I'd like to mention you can do this barefoot or in sneakers. And that's it. Take a little rest. We're going to do it again because for benefits that are really going to get you stronger in the glutes, in your inner thighs, in your hips, got to do extra repetitions. So instead of doing just that one set, we're going to do 2. And here we go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Just keep your torso upright. 7, don't lean forward. 3, 2, last 1, back up to center, other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Dynamic balancing is awesome. And last 1. There it is. Thanks for joining me. So that's this month's challenge. Do this every day, or skip a day is fine. You could do it every other day. Try to do 2 sets, and thanks. This is my YouTube channel. I'm Susannah. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I hope you will. Hit the subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed today's challenge video, give it a thumbs up, and go below, comment, and say, I love lunges. I love lateral lunges. Really excellent exercise. I hope you enjoy. And I will see you in the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. If you're not yet a member, you can go to Facebook and request to join. We'd love to have you. So see you in Facebook. Thanks.